studying again?
Yeah, exams are coming. Ikaw?
Just walking. Pampawala ng stress. Kaya nga lagi kang dumadaan sa kanila. Coincidence? I think not. Dio, marami kang talaga shortcut dito. Shortcut ko na.
Do you think you like me? Girl, the way he looks at you, oh naman. Girl, don't assume. Let him say it. Time is everything. What if masira yung friendship? Love always has risk, pero worth it.
Bella, can I talk to you?
Sure.
Matagal ko lang gustong sabihin dito, pero natatakot lang ako.
Why?
Because I don't want to lose what we have. I like you, Jenny, hindi lang as a friend. But I don't want to pressure you. I just needed you to know.
You know what? I was waiting for you to say that.
Wait, really? Gusto mo ba ako?
I like you too.
So, what are we now?
Let's just say we're starting something beautiful.